Today we're going to be looking at how to convert grams into kilograms. And if you're unsure of how to convert grams into kilograms, or you need a little refresher, then this is the video for you. So in question number 1, we're being asked to convert 3,000 grams into kilograms. So looking up top here, we can see our conversion, and 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So when we're converting grams into kilograms, we're going to be dividing the value of our grams by 1,000. So for question number 1, we're going to divide 3,000 by 1,000 in order to convert the grams into kilograms. Or another way to think about this is, how many equal groups of 1,000 can we make out of 3,000? Well, we know that we can make 3 whole groups of 1,000 out of 3,000. So when we convert 3,000 grams into kilograms, we get 3 kilograms. Now moving on to question number 2, this time we're being asked to convert 6,730 grams into kilograms. Now this one isn't going to be quite as straightforward as the first question, but there is a little trick that's going to help us. In question number 1, we had 3,000 grams to start off with. Now, anytime that you have a whole number, there is a decimal to the right of the whole number. We typically don't write it though. And here's the little trick. Anytime that you're dividing something by 1,000, you can simply just move the decimal place 3 places to the left in order to divide that number by 1,000. So for 3,000 here, we're going to move our decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, giving us the whole number of 3 because we don't have to include the zeros to the right of a decimal. So let's do the exact same thing here, but for our second question. So we have 6,730 grams, and we have a decimal to the far right, and then we're going to move that decimal place 3 places to the left to divide by 1,000, which is going to give us the decimal of 6 73 hundredths. So when we convert 6,730 grams into kilograms, we get 6 73 hundredths of a kilogram. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert grams into kilograms. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.